Hi everyone, I'm Michael Dziennik and I've been working under Roy now for 3 years at Northwind Perennial Farm, and I have a background in horticulture and landscape architecture which I got from the University of Wisconsin-Madison. And today we are at a site where we filled some holes with some geranium bevins because, as you can see going up the hill behind me, there's a lot of green, and we're trying to enhance this hillside by bringing in some spring color that will come from geranium macrorhizum Bevins variety. And I'll be checking in and talking to you guys later throughout the season. So talk to you soon. Hi everyone, Michael here with Northwind, and here we're going to look at a garden that can be filled with plants that are already within the garden. You don't have to bring in or go buy new plants every time. Sometimes you can use what's already on site. And here you can see there's some rudbeckia that are the bigger clumps starting to kind of mix in with those stakeys. And I already removed some and moved them to a new location where a hole was occurring. And as you can see, by doing so, we're going to continue that golden hue of fall throughout the garden, and also by doing so create or fill the voids that sometimes occur in our gardens. Thanks for checking in, and we'll talk to you soon. Hi everyone, it's Michael here, and we're at one of Northwind's gardens on Lake Geneva, and we're here to fill in some voids that have occurred both through natural occurrences and our favorite herbivores coming for a snack. And what we're going to do is continue the cohesion of the garden by using plants that are within the garden already and not using plants that are brand new to create an eyesore or look out of place. And so in this image you can see there's a salvia, a few monarda, and some geraniums up front that are a little sparse. And so we're going to use those plants to help beef them up, as well as take plants that are new. So we have a grouping of Boltonia that there's only one other grouping within the garden, and we're going to use that to enhance the garden and continue that group through so it doesn't look like a single eyesore. And we'll come back and check on this garden later on in the year when it's more established. See you soon. Hi everyone, Michael here again. And so it's been 1 month since we were here last and planted in this front corner. And as you can see, it's already filled in quite a bit just within that 1 month, and it'll continue to do so come next year. And so the monarda, salvia, and geranium that we put in to continue the sequence of plants will really take hold and fill in that for next year. And in addition, we put in those pale blue false asters, and those will transition really nicely into the taller plants behind it, as well as continue the plantings of the false blue asters that were further back and just kind of placed there in one spot. So this way you have a nice contiguous flow of the plants through the entire garden. And that's all for today, and we'll talk to you soon.